right? Recording on this transaction, the first two assets capitalized and last asset to be write off to the P&L. Anyhow, we have to be create these three assets in your inventory sections. I should take on this system, go to the inventory sections. Right. That will be support here to create the item. Right. Item list. Create the new item. Under the item list, new item. Right. First item number. Yes. Give you the idea. Your concern about the create the item number. How you decide the item number? Tell me. Yes. Tell your number. Look at the item. FitPro shop counter machine. Give the meaningful name to this FitPro shop counter machine and create the new inventory item. We'll give on that way. Give the counter machine 001. If you put like a FitPro counter machine, put the here FitPro counter machine. Right. Give the item code and the item name. Then click on here. Yes, I inventory this item. I hold this item in my inventory. Which inventory? I take on this item to my general inventory. One piece item. Right. Yes. After using this machine, at the end of the lifetime, we will sell this item with the scrap value. Go to the other income, maybe miscellaneous income or something. Yes, use this account. Usually income account, maybe don't go. Usually income account. The system given on like usually income account. We will set on the other income. Yes, I buy this item. When you buy this item, you have to be create new fixed asset purchase account or whatever the item purchased account. That should be integrated to here under the cost of sale. Now at the moment I add on this account, API account under the cost of sale. Set the integration part, setting part. Now you click on here, item buying detail, buying unit of measurement each, one by one. Number of item by one. If it is applicable on paying capital acquisition tax rate, that will be added on capital acquisition rate, tax rate. Know the order level and the other detail applicable. If you know the supplier detail, you add on the supplier detail here. The selling detail, the base selling price, you can add on the here selling price given. It is not selling price, it is purchase price given here 125,000. After using this asset, we will estimate it on. You can sell maybe 50,000. Can. Then unit of measurement each. Yeah, tax code in the capital acquisition law not applicable at the both scenario, in the buying detail and the selling detail. You decide on that. These are the estimated value, not exact value. Alright. Now you set this inventory item. The item is there. Withdraw counter machine. The quantity on hand 0. Right. Again, new item. Artificial grass carpet. Artificial grass carpet. 002. I inventory this item to my general inventory. Maybe a demo inventory can add on the demo inventory. I sell this item, miscellaneous income. I buy this item to my cost of material or whatever the cost of item under the purchased. Buying detail automatically set. And selling detail will change on here the selling price. Actually price on 75,000. After using by 3-4 years, we will assume that asset will be selling at 15,000 less price. All estimation, remove the other prices. That amount will be decided by the accountant, the accounting people. After the using this item, how much we are selling to the third party. Okay. Artificial grass carpet. Last one, new. The item called back rack. Rack 003. RACK, back rack. Integrated here inventory and miscellaneous income and cost of material income. And buying detail, okay. Under the selling detail, again you change the estimated amount. Here 30,000. You have to be changed on here like 10,000. The expected selling price at the end of the lifetime. Three items. Back, last one. If you apply on the tax code for both, under the buying detail and selling detail. If you are not applying tax code for what you call buying detail, this is not applying for the selling detail. You decide. Right. Now, a purchase on these assets. Go to the purchase order. Order the item. To whom you order this item? XY Company Private Limited. Under the invoice 016. Select on here XY Company, last supplier. Okay. Edit on PO 016 and the date 23. Student, what is the date? 23 April. When? 21st. 21st. And add on P INV 016. Why you are not apply? Right. Under the received one item of first artificial grass carpet, one item, no? Look at the items. Yes. One item, 75,000. Artificial glass carpet. Unit price 35,000. 75,000. Now activated on the capital assets tax free. If you are ignoring that, no matter. Next one. One item of second item. Artificial glass carpet fit for counter machine. No. Counter machine. 125,000. Third one item of back wax. No, they are the back wax. Yeah, back wax. The cost of back wax 30,000. 30,000. 30,000. Right. Complete the transaction in the first step. Order step complete. Right. The fill the other detail, and here total amount 230,000. At the freight charges 5,000. Freight charges 5,000 for deliver the item. Then 235,000. record this transaction. Register, filter the detail on 23 April month. Under the order detail, XY company 235,000 order. Correct? 235,000 in the order. Then that should be transferred to the open status. You get here? No XY company order on open bill 235,000. Right. Record it up. Go to the order form. Change the layout on bill options. Bill option. Supplier XY company. XY company. The pending purchase order. Pending purchase order. Use this purchase order. Right. Let we assume that the original PO in 21st, the items are received to the warehouse 23rd. Now look at it, automatically activated on 5,000 freight amount. Can edit either the supply charge more or less, they have to be edited on the 5,000 freight charges. Then click on bill option. Bill option. Then activated on the back order. From the one item, maybe only supplier send the first two items, the last item send on the after 1 week or something. Can. Right. Record pre-purchased recording. Now this item order transferred from order status to, look at here, no XY company 235,000 order. Now it transferred to the open bill 235,000. Now it is in the GRN status, invoice status. Right. Now look at these items are available in your warehouse after GRN. Go to your inventory again, inventory list, one item of artificial grass carpet. Next, frit throw machine, one item. Another one item of backer. Okay. Now the items are in the warehouse. From the warehouse, we have to be transfer this asset to the relevant department, division. So the classes of assets. Click on here, adjust inventory. Change the date on 23 April 25th. Right? Asset transfer 07. Asset transfer 07. Right. Now you select the first item. Carefully transfer the items. The first item, artificial grass carpet, -1. Okay, -1. This asset transfer to the where? Office equipment, no? Office equipment cost. Office furniture and equipment cost. Not the accumulated depreciation. Select this account. Then this, after deducting on VAT item or whatever the capital asset tax rate, the net amount transferred to the asset. Number 2, feed floor machines, -1, 113,000 transferred to the same asset class, office equipment cost. The third asset, back racks, back rack, -1. This assets transfer to the not fixed asset. Where? In a P&L, write off to the ground maintenance under the expense of ground maintenance. Ground maintenance cost. Understood? The two assets are transferred to your balance sheet. One asset are write off to your P&L. Then record and go to the journal. Customize your journal on year 23. This one. A debitor done 181,000. What are the 181,000 mean? This is 68,000 plus 113,000 debited. And debited to the ground maintenance cost P&L 27,000. Equal on the double entry. Got this point? Now, some student asked from me, look at it, this transaction happened on the 25th. No, you can record it on paying a bill on next month. No matter. There's no rules to pay the bill on the same month. No, can record it on the next month. We will go to the pay bill, go to the purchase, pay bill, pay bill. Select your payment account here. Sampak current account, people's, commercial. You are paying. Actually, you are not paying on the cash. This large amount. Definitely, you are paying on the check to the banks. And select your supplier, XY Company Private Limited. 261,000 net amount you have to be paid. Right? Now, change the date 23, not April. Now I am paying on the month of May. Can record by 10th in the next month. Right. From this 235,000, The company paying on 150,000. Not total amount. Now click on here amount. Tab. Amount and tab. If you want to pay for the all, look at here. The pay all options are there. Directly you can pay for the all long outstanding and all. Right. Then record. Recording for the next month. Payment. Go to the register. Change the period on 23. Month of May, no? 150,000 is there. There's no other transaction. Likewise, in your examination, the examiner can give a transaction recording on the different month of May, June, July, like this. Only you have to be change the date. And if you want to look at the transaction on the month of April, the April transactions are there. Just only customize the period. Complete. Then the last transaction. Should recording a bill when an order was not created directly. Direct payment to the your supplier. Look at the transaction. Company purchased paper for the fax copies, writing papers and stationeries from Ashok Company Private Limited. 15th April 23. Total of 5,250. The stationery cost, including a VAT. Select office suppliers and stationery account for the accounting treatment. Right. We'll record. Go to the system. Under the purchase, enter purchase. From here, select the order. Right? Select the supplier here, Ashok Company, or whatever the supplier. Maybe the stationery supplier or other supplier like this. From here, select the layout, service layout. Service layout. Now, PO number is given on the PO number, not given. We'll add on PO 025, April 15th, INV 015. Type on the description, stationery purchase. Account activated down here, stationery account under the expense. Look at the station. Office supplies and stationery account is there. Office supplies and stationery. Use this account. Amount on 5,250, including a VAT. General service payment. Actually, for service purchase from our supplier and payment. Right. Then record. No. Okay. Go to the bill option, supplier, Ashok. Now pending bill. Maybe April 16. Then bill option. No detail will be changed. Only invoice. Change the invoice status. Record. Credit limit problem. Then payment to supplier. Pay bill. Supplier XY. Here 5,250. Change the date in not May, April. Change the date April, maybe 28. In front of this, total 5,250. Click on here and tap. Payment to other payments like stationery, water, electricity. You can pay on this service payment instead of item payment. Record. Now, some items are updated in your P&L and balance sheet. First, we look at your balance sheet after complete all transaction only by the purchase here. Display your balance sheet. Here you can scroll down to the other item on your balance sheet. And look at your P&L, profit and loss account. (23) April. Only updated on the few items. Right? These students in your class members, Mayumi and Tanuja, the Sri Lanka local students. So, what about Tanuja? Correct. There's any other reasons? Mayumi also. But no, foreign students are logging today, no? Right. Any questions regarding the purchase order process? Recording orders, raising a POs, GRN or invoices, and back orders, then return item, then payment. Student, listen. Then the capital asset purchased, capital asset order, and capital asset received to your warehouse like GRN, and payment to the supplier, and asset capitalization. The entire process we completed on the last weekend, today morning. It's perfectly understand. There's no time. I think they display your timetable. You got it there? When? 15 September morning session for both weekend 16 group and 17 group. No? Right. Anyway, still we are in the meet. Now today we'll turn to our transaction part, recording on revenue cycle. Revenue cycle. Take this tutorial. Sales, cash collections, transactions, including the sale order, dispatch, and then download. Now students are downloading quickly. This is the next topic. Continuously you have to be practice, because we are like a revision group. Very quickly complete the syllabus. Others having a reasonable time period, enough time period to study the software. Shall we start? Right. Under the revenue cycle, there is two types of orders: item order and the service order. The SAP Cricket Club sell to the item the cricket players like bats, balls, like this, and shoes, bags, the selling item. And other than to the items, this cricket club providing the services, ground hiring, cricket coaching, like this. These are the service income. Right. Firstly, recording a revenue on items under the sales order SO1 A and PO001 from the customer. Customer, Wisdom International Institute, date 5th April, received the sales quotation and order for repairing bat channel. The following items: RP cord handle 5 items. Price per item 800. Box price means the boxes, including the 10 item or something, 12 or something. The one item 800, box price 8000. RP rubber handle, wood handle. Like this is the item, handle item. The VAT applicable not actually 15%, now 18%. Additional information mean for your understanding, in the examination we will not provide this detail. You have to be tracked. You have to be integrated. This particular, okay, repair fees income because of the repair on the back handle. You have to be select the correct the income or revenue account from the exam. After 1-2 days, raise the invoice to the Wisdom International. Send the completed item with the VAT. The customer settle the payment or total outstanding to the bank check. Given detail here. Right. Record on this transaction. Turn to your software. From the sale module, sales. Enter sales. Similar to the purchase, select here order. There are two options, order option, no quotation option. I select order option directly. Right? Customer Wisdom International. Wisdom International. Terms and conditions are there. The customer details are there. Change the PO number. So the invoice number. PO1, SO1. Date on 23 April 5th. April 5th. Not service item, item. First you raise the order. RP hot handle 5 item. Select the item RP hot handle from your inventory. The inventory should be there. RP hot handle. Here. RP hot handle. 100 quantity. Quantity mean handle. You know the handle mean this cover, no? This one. Handle. Right? $800, no? No discount. 4,000, including VAT on not 15,000, 15%, 18%. First we record the customer order. 5 items. RP rubber handle. 500. No discount. Five item. RP wood handle. 4. 5. This one 4. 4. Unit price. Unit price. 700. No, 700. Right. Similar to the purchase order, you have to be set the basic detail. Salesperson, comment, delivery mode, promise date of supply this item. Whether you are getting the payment on check mode or cash mode, you have to be set on here. Can company saying to the customer, no, we are not taking the collection on check. We are taking on the cash like this. Or card collection, paying on the debit card or credit card. Record. $9,300 in the order. Customize a date. $9,300. Right. In the order status, status in order. Now, complete this order. Then 6th April, a company raising the invoices to the Wisdom International with the VAT. Enter sale, invoice, Wisdom International. Now pending order, pending sales order, pending sales order. Usage. Change the date. Then here SO convert to the INV 001. If you charge on the freight charges, you can add on the freight. We'll add 200 rupees freight charges. Okay. Then invoice this item to the customer. Invoice. deliver the full order. Full order means no back orders. The all items are delivered, no back order. Then no back order. 554. Record. Free data okay. Now change the status on order to, look at here now, not display the order form. It is on the open invoice form. Complete. Next. Just a back order, no return or something. The company pay after the credit period. Customer pay to the company by full payment, not part payment, full payment. To the bank check, given the check number also. Will record clause under the sales. Receive payment are there. Receive payment means customer receipts. Customer receipts. Click on receive payment. Your collection bank. Sometimes company having two current account for collection purpose and payment purpose. But some companies are maintained both on one current account. Right. In some current account, customer Wisdom International. Student. Now, INV 001 created for the this repair item, no? But others are the outstanding balances. Outstanding balances. You can settle all the balances for here. Receive all function. Look at here. Click on receive all function. You can collect from customer by all payment. By click on the receive all payment. Or else click on manually. You have to be adjust the manual collection by the individual payment. Here receipts, change the date 23 April 25th. Right here, the received amount 28,500. Understood? Always you collect the one invoices from a customer. Record. Record. You have to be entered check details. Now click on register 23 under the deposit column 28,500. Enter the check number, clause, go to the reports, accounts, Profit and loss account. Now under the cricket income, increase your repair fees income. Click on here. Repair fees income 8,000, so 7,881 for the respective period. And same cost amount added on your from the sales from the Wisdom International, getting on the cost of repair on 3,900 or something. Likewise, now gradually upgrade your PNL. Right. Next, item layout order with return. With return. Right. In the first transaction, no return. Read this transaction to same sub customer. Same item, 6 item, 5 item, 5 item, RP cord handle, rubber handle, and the wood handle. Invoice number 1, change here 1A, 1B, 1B. Then return item. In the 10th April 23, 2 items of RP cord handle and 1 item of RP rubber handle returned by the Wisdom International due to the issues of repairing on beds. There may be the problem after repair and 50% settlement of total outstanding by total amount. Right, we'll record this. Right. From where you start? First, you start from the sales order. Sales order. Customer Wisdom International. Same date, no? Same date. 5th April, no? INV. Tell me, SO, no? Yeah, SO 001B. Here, PO number PO 001B. Right. At the detail here, should mean deliver. Six item of cord handle. 6 item of cord handle. Now look at here. After releasing by the previous order, 100 stock reduced to the 95, 95, and the last one 4 items. The inventory reduced. Price. Tell me the unit price. 800. No discount. Delete. Next. Next item. Quantity. Quantity. 5. 5 quantity on rubber handle. RP rubber handle. Is it okay by others? Girl, you're okay now? Unit price 500. No discount. Tell me the any issues. Next item, quantity, 5 quantity. Everyone had to be record. Otherwise, when you look at the transaction, easy. But when you go for the recording transaction, difficult. Item on wood handle, no? Wood handle. Unit price 700. No discount. Fill this basic detail. Complete. I will charge on freight charges, add on here 300 rupees. Freight. So 200, 200, then equal to the 11,000. Right. Then record. You have to be keep your mind the date and the amount and the wisdom iteration. That's enough. Record, register, order 11,000. In the order status, very similar to the purchase orders. Right. Now, in the second transaction, second step, it is not second transaction, second step, that should be taken on the repair piece. Automatically we integrated on this item with the repair piece income. Have you remember that? When you create the inventory item, already we integrated on the repair piece income. Then automatically increase our revenue category. In the following day, the similar transactions given to your paper. First you record the sales order, then you record the GRN part, the invoicing, then maybe a back order, maybe a what you call return, and part payment, advance payment, and full payment. Actually, what you learn in the other subject, the paper may be different, no? Because if you learn what you call advanced management accounting, this answer can teach by the one ABC costing, one question. But maybe a setter asks a different type of ABC costing. Maybe a process costing. But process costing may be similar. But anyway, but if you learn this subject, whatever the transaction recorded, similar transaction will be tested on the paper. We can't change the structure of the software. No? We can't change the structure of the software. Either we change the pattern of the transaction, the way of recording the transaction is similar. Understood? Setter කෙනෙකුට දෙන්න පුළුවන් ඕන විදියකට transaction එක එහෙට මෙහෙට මාරු කරලා. But the recording on the same way. The recording the order, change the date, the order, everything. No, not permitted in the live system delete. You can edit. You can edit this detail. In the live system, normally not actually this is not the internal controls are not there. No? In the actually live system, people are not able to delete the transaction. If you want to edit this transaction, you have to get the not your login, by the your superiors having the editing power. No, from this login, you have to be inform your boss. So I had a one mistake. Please edit this transaction. Okay. There are facilities available in the software, but try to understand the level is there. One day you will be coming to the main accountant. You are the persons to control the entire system. The subordinate, the, the mistakenly or with the without knowledge, they record the transaction in incorrectly. You are not given the permissions to them edited. The permitted actually the editing and the delete not available in the live system. Can, but everything are recorded. Editing powers you have to be taken. At least look at here. You are working like a external auditor, and also you are managing the company software. You are the consultant. Don't permit to them edit the transaction. What will happen if you in installation part, the few of the top level people are getting the editing part. The everyone's given to the editing part. How you do the auditing? External auditors can't review the transaction. No, so a lot of people are edit and edit. Ultimately, we can't find the what are the error transactions, what are the fraud transactions. Understood the way? Some people are the misusing this option for the recording the fraud transactions. So internal control should be there. You have to be taken on this power. I don't know whether you are working under the junior level, you don't having this power. If after just complete by your degree, you will becoming an accountant, you have to be maintain this status. Actually, the top level people are doing that, no? Like you go to the bank, anyone work in the bank, the assistant manager and above, they having editing power in the either current account, saving account, and even the fixed deposit. If you had some mistakenly, you forget to change the what you call it, when you are going for the change in your password. This happened in my one account when I changed my password. After that, I forgot my password. So from here, in the user extent, they are not permitted to edit on my password again. And I have to go and meet the assistant manager. And assistant manager permitted to the with the system to the banking assistant. Now you log in and give the new password. Like this, yeah? Okay. Now here, the same order recording on the invoices status by given IN001B. Yeah? Here, invoice, Wisdom International. Now pending order. Look at it, pending order. Click on usage. Now from here you can edit. In the second step, is there a price changes? You get the transaction again. Sometimes the customer, you know that the company giving a price list to the customer. No? Should give me another 1 minute. Practical aspect. If you are getting an agreement with the customers, the company display your price levels to the customers, no? With the document. Because of that, the customer send the POs based on our price level. Is it there now? So after getting the customer order, the one employee recording this customer PO to our sales order. You understand the way? Actually, customer send the PO. The company recording the SO. What this point? Customer send the PO, based on the price level and agreement and every detail. The one employee on the marketing department or sales department recording this PO likewise so. Is it there? But invoicing by the accounting people, no? Maybe. Understood? Invoice by the accounting people. Sometimes the order unit price and the actual invoice unit price may be different. Because of that, increase the price level. So you have to be change the price level here. The option is there. Otherwise, why we maintain the order status, invoice status like this? No? Directly you put the payment. No? Can record. Some organization not maintain the orders. Directly go for the payment. In the payment detail, everything will be. Can. But there should be the transaction process order. Especially in the limited liability company. Especially in the limited liability company. In the private limited companies or proprietor, whatever it is, they are doing their accounting process and their own way. No, actually they are not following accounting standard. Okay? So finally, they go for the ask from the external auditor. So anyhow, given this transaction and auditor then getting the audit report. But limited liability company different. So you have to be follow because auditors are check the steps. Where your sales order report? Where's your invoice report? Where's your payment reports? Where's your return report? Everything are tested by sample basis by the external auditor. That will be key. I am given a real knowledge to you, not by a shortcut method. There are some shortcut method. Without order, you can go for the invoice. Right. At the invoice time, you can change this order. Right. We'll see. Change the date. 6th. Then click on here invoice. Invoice. Delivered full quantity or different quantity. 6550 refer the transactions. Same quantity or different quantity. Same quantity. Same quantity. Then no back code. Understood? No back code. Check the price levels. 857 or not given. Not given. That means same price level you have to be invoiced to the customer. A record. Okay. Change the status to open bill status. Open bill status. 11,000 in the open bill status. Right? Then next step, you refer the steps. This one. 10th April. A return should be there. Return. 2 items from RP card handle, 1 item from rubber handle. Return the item. Look at here. Go to the first sales. Then go to the register. Now it is on the, understand the way, it is on the bill status, invoice status. Look at here, no item in the return. No item in the return. Now from the return stage, click on new sales. New sales. Invoice, customer, Wisdom International. Fresh order. Date on Then give the invoice number INV 001B and PO 001B. Is it correct? No? Right. Now return. Click on sheet minus 2 item. No back order. Item 1 RP card handle. Now look at here. Items are reduced. Deduct from the my inventory. From your project, you have to be identified. We are purchasing the same item and selling on the same item. No issues. When you purchase the item, increase your quantity. Then you can sell. But some companies purchase raw material and selling on the finished good. So if you buy the item, increase the purchase. But when you go for the selling on finished good, there's no the processing partner, no manufacturing partner. Then not increase your finished good item. So you have to be think very carefully. Here, use item. Unit price 800. It will be slow in my internet connection. No discount. Now return on the 1600 means 2 into 800. 2 into 800. Next. Minus 1. The item, what is the item? Sorry, rubber handle, no? Rubber handle. RP rubber handle. Rubber handle. You price 500, no? 500, no? No discount. Okay. Total return 2100 with the VAT on 320. The VAT also return, eh? Record. Now click on here register. Now under the return and credit 2100. Is it finished? Finished? Not finished. Not fully completed. You have to be applied this return to reduce in your income account. Understood? This 2100 recorded like your income, no? From the income, you have to be removed this item quantity. Click on apply to save. Change the date 23 April, no? April 10th, no? 10th. Click on amount applied. Amount applied. Now, here, look at it. Here, no discount. Delete the discount. Then record. Before record this transaction, you are out of balance 0. Out of mean difference. record. Close. Go to the reports, accounts, profit and loss account. Display the period on April. Look at here. Now recording. What is this amount? A return amount. After deducting on that. Now gradually upgrading your PHL as well. You study the running the report, very important. The cost of sales also the applied on this amount, the cost amount. Cost amount. INV 001B in the 10th. Right. Now, right. Payment. After settle all, the customer settled the 50% from the total outstanding to the Sampath, not Sampath actually given our bank, no, 100, 500 check number. I will record. Go to the sales, receive payment. You can collect this amount to the undeposited fund account to the cash or cash drawer, no matter. Wisdom International. Date of receipts by 25th. Then 50%. Calculate the 50%. 4,000 for 50. You open the calculator. It will be large amount, can't calculate in manually. Then click on here, amount received. Click on tab button. Very important. Otherwise, create on the suspects. Whether paying on the check or cash or something here. The check number you have to be inserted here. After return the item, customer have to pay it on 8,900. Record and register. Right. Any questions? Dear student, is it okay? Understand? Right. Then you take the 5 minutes to record in on this full transaction. Transaction number 2. Order number 2, customer PO number 2. To customer King's High School transaction. You record. Hello, no. Tanuja and Mayumi, join the class. Tanuja and Mayumi. If you are getting on the permissions to on. Yes, Pata. What about this transaction? Have you recorded?
Yes, yes, still recording.
Next one, Tanuja Jaisinha. Get the permission on campus to recording. Actually, joined on the online. You have to be work. You getting no online students from the following. First, you record here sales quotation and order. The additional information given on here to give the understanding to the student to where this income accumulated to your equipment sale income. Shall I start to record this transaction? Right. First, select the customer and order number. Under the sales order. Customer, King's High School. Order number 2. And PO also 2. Based on the PO2, the company create on invoice 2. The date of the transaction on 7th April. Change the date. 7th April. Right. Support me. Tell the detail. First item, quantity. Student, tell me the quantity. 10 quantity of lever cricket bats, no? Cricket bat category. Select the here cricket bat category. Lever wood cricket bats. 10 quantity. Unit price 1600, no discount. Right, record with me, others. Complete the first item. 10 item, lever wood cricket bat. Unit price 1600. Second one. Quantity 8 quantity under the bat category. Sorry? A Bradbury cricket bat. Use this item, unit price 1700. No discount, no? No discount. Next. 9 item of MR cricket bat. MR, all items available, quantities are available. Use this item, unit price 1700. 750. No discount. Last one.
10.
Sorry?
10.
10 quantity of A sport bat. Under the bat category, A sport cricket bat. Unit price 9.
1990.
90, no? Correct. No discount. In the order 1990. Order, no? Right. At the some freight charges maybe 300 rupees. Freight charges 65,550. Okay. Record this transaction. Complete and record. Now this transaction in the register order status. Look at this transaction. 65,000 order transaction record. In the second step, supply this item to the customer on the 10th April. The following quantities may be different with price and all. Clause invoice. King's High School. Pending order. Pending order. Use this order. Use this order. Change the date. 10th April. 10th April. You can change the freight amount. More or less amount by the 300 by at some 500 like this. Then click on here invoice option. Right. Compare the quantity ordered by customer and GRN by the company, actually dispatched by the company. Here 10 item delivered. Compare the item wood cricket bat 8 item. Wood cricket bat 8 item. Correct? Wrong. Wrong. Because 8 items send me only 2 item back order. 2 item back order. Next. How many item ordered? 8 item. Delivered by 4. 5. Then 3 back order. Next one. Tell me the back order. 4 back order. Then next one. No back order. Sent by all. And also you have to be edited by the unit price. In the wood cricket, 1700. Next, Bradbury cricket bat, 1900. Next, MRF, 1800. Change all. Next one, 2000. No discount. Then change your look at the practical example. In the original sales order 65,000. Now at the time of GR, actually dispatch, this will be a 68,000. Then record. So, yeah, record. Predated, okay. Now change the status from order status to invoice status by 68,700 total amount. But still some items are in the pending purchase order. Back order. Understood? Right. Next. Settlement. From the available balance, customer settle on the 70% payment. Go to the receive money from customer, still by current account OD, still current account OD. Customer balance order right, sorry. Then go to the again by enter sale, invoice customer, King's High School. Now pending order. Use this sale. What's the date? 15. Then click on invoice again. 2324. Is there a back order? No. Sometimes this order also having a back order. Some item not available at our company. So we are not send all. Right. Now record. Register. Now it is remove and order status. right? Next one, payment of bill by the customer. The company side receive money from the inside school. Whether you are paying on this invoice amount or that invoice amount, or together, you decide. 70% from this total amount or whatever the portion by the separate invoices like this. Calculate and tell me the amount. 50,000 or something. 50,000 here. You open the calculator. Student, open the calculator here. Calculate. Will take only by this amount 68,700 into 70%. 48,090. Then click on amount received and tap. Right? Then record. This 48,000 recorded on your bank account. Understand? Recording the full transaction with the back order. In the previous one, with the return. This one with the back order. The one transaction different from the other transaction. Sometimes both the component, return and the back order, both are there. Now you review your P&L, profit and loss account. Now increase from this equipment sale. Under the freight income, you get the some freight amount. Any question? Sometimes inventory not available. Right. How about others? Is that okay? Then take the break. Right, you take the break. Then after the break, we will go to the recording on the service invoice.